Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. So guys, I am by the another beautiful ideas about the woods designs, everyday woods designs, farmhouse woods designs. In this collection you see approximately 200 plus unique ideas about woods designs that decor your home very elegant and very stylish. Summer spring floral wreaths designs for front door, everyday door wreaths design, year round wreaths designs 2025. As you know, if you are my regular viewer, you know I am passionate about the dye projects, especially those that bring a touch for nature indoor. Over the year, I have shared a countless wreaths designs, wreaths designs, and it turned out you love them as much as I do. Today, I am excited to share the collection of my favorite dye fresh flowers wreaths projects. They are something truly magic about the transforming fresh and stunning pieces of door decors. You are looking for a vibrant spring summer wreaths designs, colorful designs, cozy ideas, and masterpiece designs. You will find the inspiration here. So guys, get ready to be inspired as I share my favorite fresh floral wreaths designs, from the soft spring broad ideas, summer choosy tones designs, custom spring floral arrangements ideas, about the designs of wreaths collection, handmade ideas. The decoration is so beautiful, and I hope this video and this collection is very authentic for you. Handmade ideas, flowers, colorful holidays decorations made with care. The wreaths can be hung on doors, indoors and outdoors, in the living room, the porch area, fireplace, mantel, and adjustable ideas. It can easily moved around from one door to another door. The wish is surely to bring the elegance to your front door, used as a wedding also. It is covered in different colors. Simple and elegant ideas. These wish designs that make is beautiful and very aesthetic ideas would cover the beautiful designs. The wish would make a beautiful housewarming gift, wedding decor, birthday decor. Suitable ideas, suitable decoration designs uh, made from the quality time with the widths designs. Direct sunlight should be available to the prevent the designs. Get ready to inspire. I have shared a favorite different projects about the widths collection. I spent a several hours in making these videos. We collect the pictures from different sources and crop them and edit them and suit our video format and arrange them frequently to create our unique videos. These videos have never been used for other users to have and never been posted on other social media accounts. They are our own creations, unique to our channels. We acknowledge all those who contribute by making these pictures available on the internet for by using the general public. If you like my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment my YouTube channel on daily basis. Front door widths designs are most aesthetic and most creative designs that recreate your home, that inspire your home look. Summer widths design is more than just a decorative items for your front door. It is a warm welcome to guests and a celebration of season beauty. Whether you can fresh flowers or artificial flowers, summer woods designs can instantly brighten up the space and sense of joy. We commonly use for the display as our decorative designs for the front door. Front door decoration is so important to welcome the winter seasons, summer seasons. Woods are most important role for the decoration of your houses. Household items are very important. Without home decor, without home decorations designs, your house is so incomplete. So I collect a beautiful ideas about the woods designs that welcome your guest. Feel very happy and elegant designs. Creativity are mentioned on my YouTube videos. If we discuss about why do people put the woods designs on the front door, the answer is to invitation in the spirit of different entire home and bring the luck. It believes that woods design is and woods creativity arrange and link to the luck. So enjoy the colors, enjoy the symbol of hospitality, celebration and honors. Front door decorations with flowers, leaves, and it's a message for our soul. Find a peace and comfort. Enjoy the days of summer and spring season. Typically festive occasions and originally used for woods designs to welcome, and the summer designs is so attractive. Household items are used for which woods designs. Mostly in summer seasons, the woods demands are so high. The reason is that everyone likes the fragrance, everyone likes the flowers, and when most people think of woods, they often picture festive and the most of the time used for the winter season. But in summer season, the demand of woods designs are so high. So I collect a beautiful ideas for my viewers who are watching the best YouTube videos related to the summer. Woods designs have been growing in the popularity and the bringing the vibrant energy, colors of season into the home and outdoor spaces designs. It is used for as a farmhouse houses, and we believe that summer woods designs are more important than decorations. They are expressionless and season of beauty. Everyone believe that this woods designs is related to the summer beauty, and without woods design the summer beauty is incomplete. So this is very aesthetic ideas, creative ideas, and I hope this video is very useful for you. Creativity are mentioned on my YouTube channel, so watch and like and share my YouTube channel on daily basis. Summer woods designs capture the season with bright cheerful colors and natural elements, green vibrant elements. Greenery is so important, and the front door and interior ideas, summer woods can brighten up the area and create the welcoming atmosphere. One of the great thing about summer woods design is hospitality. They are more confident about the occasion that can display thoughts of reasons. Summer woods can be a different themes such as love, joy, floral designs for the gardens, and elements are so attractive